Hello and welcome to my channel ACP FICO with Ritu. So today we would be looking at a new topic, which is the table of fiscal year variant. So last time I have already spoken about fiscal year variant. So in my today's video I will show you the table of fiscal year variant and all. So in my last video I have told you about the fiscal year variant, and you can do this task or do this customization by navigation. Also I have told you the path or the navigation path in my last video, and also the T code for the fiscal year variant, which is OB37. So today we'll talk about the table of fiscal year variant. So first of all, let me show you the table of company code. In my last video, or in some of the last videos, I have told you about the table of company code, and in this table, as we go on customization or go on doing customization, and other things, all these things get updated in this table. So let's see whether fiscal year variant has been updated or not. So let's go to the table first. So what is the T code? SE16. Now in this table we will go for T001, which I have told you in my last video of table of company code and company. So you can go to that video and find out about things of table related to company and company code. And in that video I have shown you how different things get updated as we customize these things. So you can have a look at that video. So what is our company code? This is TA01. Execute. See, let it scroll. See here, this is fiscal year variant. So see, this is our fiscal year variant, but here fiscal year variant has not been updated. Why? Fiscal year variant has not been updated because we have not again given the linkage between the company code and the fiscal year. I have told you that even if you do any customization, any configuration, but if you don't give any linkage between the company code and that customization or that setting, then how does the system know that this customization settings or whatever has been or is related with this particular company code? So since we have not given any kind of linkage between these two things, that's why this has not been updated over here. So let's come out. So we have come out of this. Now we will have to assign our company code to our fiscal year variant. Oh sorry, I made a mistake actually. Fiscal year variant, the T code is OB29, and assign company code to fiscal year variant, you can navigate also, and the T code is OB37. So let's navigate. SPRO. Let's go through the path, because it's somewhat difficult for you to remember so many T codes all at once. Like right now I forgot, I did not forget actually, but I out of hurry I told you that fiscal year variant OB37, but it's actually OB29. So, and OB37 is for assign company code to fiscal year variant. So it's easier if you do your task or go to your task screen by navigation. So that's easier. So again it's uh, late. So this is financial accounting. Again the system is slow. Financial accounting global settings. See, financial accounting global settings. And then we will go to fiscal year. See here, maintain fiscal year variant. The T code is OB29 and assign company code to fiscal year variant. The T code is OB37. So execute here. So see here it has come. So we will go to the position. In order to search for our company code, that is TA01. So click here, enter. So here this is your company code and company name is Tata Chemical Private Limited, and here what is your fiscal year variant? Our fiscal year variant is TA, I think. Yes, TA. Okay, if you don't remember, then this is a drop down button. From here also you can search for your T code. Here you will get all the options, among which your fiscal year variant will also be found. So you can go through these options also and save. Okay, this is not actually an error message. Here you can actually, this type of warning message you can find sometimes. So here you write either K4 and press enter. Here see, all in all these fields K4 is written, so you can write K4. So what is K4? I will tell you. K4 is a standard fiscal year variant which you can choose from the system also, and or if you want to make your own fiscal year variant, then you can make, like right now we have created our own fiscal year variant, which is TA. So sometimes system asks for these kinds of messages, so don't panic. So fill K4 or V3, these kinds of variants over there, and a system will allow you to save your settings. So our it is saved. So now we come out. So let's go for another session. So this is the button, this is the button here, this is the button. You can go, you can open your another session. So again we will go to the same T code, which is AC16. Now we will see whether fiscal year variant has been updated there or not. Our T code, once again execute. Now let's scroll it. See here, you can see here see our fiscal year, in the field of fiscal year variant, TA has been updated. Okay, why? Because we have given, now we have told the system, or we have let the system know that this particular company code, which is in our case TA01, has got fiscal year variant called TA. So now here this data has been updated. So come out of this. Okay, it's not going. Come out of this now. Now if you want to see fiscal year variant separately, then there is another table T009. Okay, right now we saw the table of company and company code, and where all the customization settings you can see which you have done about your particular company code or company. So there you can see all the customization settings. But if at all you want to see your fiscal year variant separately, then there is another table which is T009. So execute here. So what is your fiscal year variant? TA, we know TA. Execute. See here, this is yes, in this case you will have to remember the name of your fiscal year variant. You type your fiscal year variant over there, and you will have all the information about this particular fiscal year variant name. So see here, fiscal year variant, so April to March, and 4 with this 4 special period. Okay, so once again guys, I'm telling for today this much I'll tell you, or I'll teach you. Once again I'm telling, if you like my ways of teaching, my ways of explanation, then please do subscribe to my channel. And if yet you have not done so, if yet you have not done so, in that, for that matter, then please subscribe to my videos, subscribe to my channels, like my videos, and also share with your friends. And also don't forget to press on the bell icon so as to get regular updates of my videos which I am uploading. So for today this much, and we will again meet in the next video with some another topic, which is I think I'm going to teach you fiscal year fiscal year we have finished. I'm going to teach you open posting period variant. So till then, bye bye.